Let us start gaseous state. In gaseous state, van der Waals equation. In the van der Waals equation, we have done correction in ideal gas equation volume. So volume correction. We are discussing about volume correction. Volume correction we are saying. Now, van der Waals considers the gaseous molecule are in contact like this. When they are in contact, how much volume is not available for free movement. That is, in that way, van der Waals thinks. Now, it is the radius of a molecule. It is the radius of a molecule. Now, we will consider another sphere here. Now, another sphere here we considered. Now, this is a radius of sphere. Okay, this is the radius of sphere. Now, it is gaseous molecule 1, it is gaseous molecule 2. Okay. Now, volume not available for the gaseous molecules for free movement due to 1 and 2 gaseous molecules. How much? Due to 1 and 2 gaseous molecules, how much do you say? Volume not available for the gaseous molecules for free movement due to 1 and 2 gaseous molecules. Here gaseous molecule 1, here gaseous molecule 2. 2 gaseous molecules are in contact. Now we will take this sphere. For this sphere, radius is equal to capital R. Radius is equal to capital R. For this sphere, radius is equal to capital R. Now, due to these two molecules, what is the volume not available for free movement for other gaseous molecules? Can other gaseous molecule move freely in this volume of sphere? In this sphere? Can other gaseous molecule move freely in this sphere? In this sphere? Can it move freely or not? Can other gaseous molecule here volume not available for the gaseous molecules in the sense other gaseous molecules. Okay, other gaseous molecules will be there, no, third molecule, fourth molecule, fifth molecule, like this will be there, no. For those molecules, will this volume available for free movement? Will this volume available for free movement? No. Therefore, what is the volume? What is the volume unavailable for this third gaseous molecule, fourth gaseous molecule for free movement due to this 1 and 2? Due to this 1 and 2, what shall we say? Due to this 1 and 2, how much volume is not available for free movement for these gaseous molecules? How much volume shall we say? What is the volume? Now here we will consider another gaseous molecule, sixth molecule, seventh molecule, like this we will consider. Can seventh molecule move freely in this volume? Think it. So can seventh molecule move freely in this volume? In this volume of sphere, can it move freely? In this sphere, can it move freely? Now fourth molecule, can it move freely in this sphere? In this sphere, can it move freely? In this sphere, can it move freely? Third gaseous molecule you consider, can it move freely in this sphere volume? In this volume of sphere? No. That means, shall we say this volume is unavailable for free movement for other gaseous molecules. Shall we say other gaseous molecules? This volume, so and so volume. This sphere is there, no? Now pointing out sphere. This pointing out sphere volume is not available for other gaseous molecules due to 1 and 2. Therefore, you are saying volume not available for gaseous molecules for free movement due to 1 and 2 gaseous molecules is 4 by 3 pi r cube. 4 by 3 pi r cube. This we can write as this how to write in the sense 8 into that means 4 by 3 pi capital R is nothing but 2 into small r. Small r is called the radius of a molecule. Small r is called the radius of a molecule that we are substituting. So we are getting like this 8 into 4 by 3 pi r cube. Therefore it is equal to 8 into 4 by 3 pi r cube is called a volume of a gaseous molecule. Volume of a gaseous molecule. So 4 by 3 pi r cube we can say as a volume of a gaseous molecule we can say. So next point we will see. Now volume not available, volume not available for free movement, for free movement, for free movement for the gaseous molecules, for the gaseous molecules, for the gaseous molecule due to one gas first gaseous molecule, due to first gaseous molecule, how much shall we say? How much shall we say? Now, due to these two gaseous molecules, this much volume is not available for free movement means now due to first molecule, how much volume is not available for free movement? From this, we have to say we can say this much volume. So volume is not available for free movement due to this gaseous molecule 1 for other gaseous molecules. For other gaseous molecules. That meaning is this fourth molecule cannot move freely in this volume due to this gaseous molecule 1. It is van der Waals thought. This fourth gaseous molecule this fourth gaseous molecule cannot move freely in this volume due to gaseous molecule 1. Therefore, due to gaseous molecule 1, how much volume is not available for free movement for gaseous molecule 2, for gaseous molecule 4, for gaseous molecule 5. That is, you are saying 4 into volume of a molecule, you are saying. Okay. So, you are saying 4 into volume of a molecule. You are saying 4 into volume of a molecule. So volume not available for free movement for the gaseous molecule due to first gaseous molecule equal to 4 into volume of a molecule. Okay. We will take another statement. Now volume not available for free movement, for free movement for the gaseous molecules, for the gaseous molecules due to due to second gaseous molecule, due to second gaseous molecule, how much shall we say? Due to second gaseous molecule. Now, due to this second gaseous molecule, how much volume not available for free movement? How much volume not available for free movement? Now it is a second gaseous molecule. Due to this second gaseous molecule, how much volume not available for free movement means this much volume. This much volume. It is van der Waals thought. Okay, van der Waals thought. Now you are saying 8V, you are saying now 4 into volume of a molecule, you are saying. Okay. Now due to this gaseous molecule 2, this much volume is not available for free movement. That means this gaseous molecule 1 cannot get this much volume for free movement due to gaseous molecule 2. This is van der Waals thought. Van der Waals considered like this. This gaseous molecule 4 cannot get this much volume for free movement due to gaseous molecule 2. This fifth gaseous molecule cannot get this much volume for free movement due to gaseous molecule 2 like this. So you are saying answer, what answer you are saying in the sense 4 into volume of a molecule you are saying. Volume of a molecule you are saying. Sir. Now we will see volume unavailable for free movement, volume unavailable for free movement for the gaseous molecules, for the gaseous molecules, for the gaseous molecules due to each other gaseous molecule, each other gaseous molecule, each other gaseous molecule. Now what do you say answer for this? Volume not available for free movement for the gaseous molecules due to each other gaseous molecule. Due to each other gaseous molecule. Okay. Now we will see. Now each other in the sense, suppose if we take 4. Due to fourth gaseous molecule, how much volume not available for free movement for gaseous molecule 3, for gaseous molecule 5, like this we will see. Now you are saying 4 into volume of a molecule. Due to gaseous molecule 3, how much volume not available for free movement due to these molecules? That means this much volume. This is called 4 into volume of a molecule. This much volume is not available. This volume is 4 into volume of a molecule. So due to this gaseous molecule 3, how much volume not available for free movement for other gaseous molecules means this much volume. This is called 4 into volume of this molecule. It is van der Waals thought. Okay. So we can say 4 into volume of a molecule. 4 into volume of a molecule. So now we will go for a point. Volume not available. Volume not available for free movement, for free movement for the gaseous molecules, for the gaseous molecules due to due to Avogadro number of molecules, due to Avogadro number of gaseous molecules, due to Avogadro number of gaseous molecules. What do you say? Now volume not available for free movement for the gaseous molecules due to Avogadro number of gaseous molecules. How much volume not available? Okay. Now due to gaseous molecule 3, 4 into volume of a molecule, 4V, this much volume is not available for free movement for other gaseous molecules. Now due to this gaseous molecule 4, how much volume not available for free movement for other gaseous molecules means this much, that is 4V. This much volume not available for free movement for other gaseous molecules. So you are saying that this is a 4 into volume of a molecule, volume of a molecule into Avogadro number, into Avogadro number. This much volume is not available. So okay, so volume not available for free movement for the gaseous molecules due to Avogadro number of gaseous molecules is called 4 into volume of a molecule into Avogadro number. Okay. Next we will see volume not available, volume not available for free movement, volume not available for free movement for the gaseous molecules, for the gaseous molecules, for the gaseous molecules due to 1 mole of, due to 1 mole of other gaseous molecules, due to 1 mole of other gaseous molecules. How much do you say? Due to other gaseous molecules, how much volume is not available for free movement, not available for free movement. Okay, that point you say. Now we can take a, you can take here each molecule, here any gaseous molecule we can take, each molecule is not giving so and so volume for free movement for other gaseous molecules. Okay, suppose gaseous molecule 6 if you take, it is not giving due to this much volume, this much, that means 4V, this much volume is unavailable for free movement for other gaseous molecules. Other gaseous molecule means 5, 7, 7, 2, 3, 4, like this. Suppose if we take a, here we will take a eighth gaseous molecule, we will take. Due to this eighth gaseous molecule, due to this eighth gaseous molecule, this much volume means 4V. This much volume is not available for free movement for other gaseous molecules means 7, 2, 4, 3, 1, 5, 6, like this. So this due to eighth gaseous molecule, 4V volume is not available for free movement for gaseous molecule 2. This is van der Waals thought. Due to gaseous molecule 2, what volume is not available for free movement for gaseous molecule 4 means 4V. 4V, like this. So due to gaseous molecule 4, what volume is not available for free movement for gaseous molecule 3 means 4V. Now, due to gaseous molecule 3, 4V volume is not available for free movement for gaseous molecule 4. This is van der Waals thought. So, from this, you say now volume not available for free movement for the gaseous molecules due to 1 mole of other gaseous molecules. 1 mole means Avogadro number. Now, what value do you say? Volume not available for free movement for the gaseous molecules due to 1 mole of other gaseous molecules. How much value shall we say? 1 mole means Avogadro number. 1 mole in the sense Avogadro number. Sorry, van der Waals thought we will consider. Van der Waals considered in what we will see. Now we will consider gaseous molecule 1, gaseous molecule 2, gaseous molecule 3, 4, like this many gaseous molecules we will consider. Like this many gaseous molecules are possible. In a gas, many gaseous molecules possible like this. We will take like this. So, now it is a gas. It is a gas present in the vessel. Okay, gas present in the vessel like this. Gas is present like this. Now, due to each molecule in this gas, due to each molecule, other gaseous molecules are not getting such 4V volume for free movement. So, now we will see. Now, due to this gaseous molecule, this much volume is not available for free movement for other molecules, for these molecules. Due to gaseous molecule 12, this much volume, 4V volume is not available for free movement due to other gaseous molecules, So, due to seventh gaseous molecule, this much volume is not available for free movement for other gaseous molecules. That means what? Each molecule, due to each molecule, what volume is unavailable for free movement for other gaseous molecules? What shall we say? Due to each gaseous molecule, 4V volume is not available for free movement for other gaseous molecules. Now you say volume not available for free movement for the gaseous molecules due to 1 mole of other gaseous molecules. What shall we say? Due to 1 mole of gaseous molecules, for due to each molecule 4V volume is not available for free movement. Due to 2 molecules, what is the volume not available for free movement? 2 into 4V. Due to 1 mole of molecules, what volume is not available for free movement? What do you say? Due to each molecule, 4V volume is not available for free movement. Due to 2 molecules, what volume? Like this you think. So now you are saying that you are multiplying this, you are taking 4, this volume of a molecule you are taking, and you are multiplying this with 1 mole. 1 mole means Avogadro number of molecules. 1 mole means Avogadro number of molecules. That means here 23 we will write. 23 we will write. Therefore, shall we say that volume not available for free movement for the gaseous molecules due to 1 mole of molecules means 4 into volume of a molecule into Avogadro number. This is called unavailable volume. This is called unavailable volume due to 1 mole of gas. Due to 1 mole of gas. This is unavailable volume due to 1 mole of gas. It is also called unavailable volume. We will take excluded volume. Excluded volume means not available. Excluded volume due to 1 mole of gas. Due to 1 mole of gas. You may be having a doubt. Suppose we are taking 1 mole of a gas. We are taking 1 mole of a gas. Okay. We are taking 1 mole of gas. Okay. In this 1 mole of gas, if you take 1 mole of gas, sorry, okay, 1 mole of gas we are taking means how to say for these gaseous molecules, how to say this statement, that like that also you may be having doubt. We are taking itself 1 mole of a gas. So now this first molecule will take. This first molecule will provide 4V volume not available for free movement. Okay. Second molecule will take. This second molecule is not providing 4V volume for free movement. Now in this third molecule will take. This third molecule is not providing 4V volume for free movement. Now what is the total unavailable volume? What is the total unavailable volume here for free movement? What is the total unavailable volume for free movement here? What do you say? Due to first molecule, 4V volume is not available for free movement. For second molecule, third molecule, fourth molecule, like this. Due to this second molecule, 4V volume is not available for free movement for 1, for 3, for 4, like this. So like this, if you take now you are taking itself in this vessel 1 mole of gas is there. 1 mole of gas means Avogadro number of molecules are there. Avogadro number of molecules are there. Each molecule providing 4V volume not available for free movement. Suppose if you are taking one gaseous molecule 1, due to gaseous molecule 1, this much volume not available for free movement for all the other gaseous molecules. Then now due to gaseous molecule 2, 4V volume not available for free movement for all the other gaseous molecules. So totally what is the volume not available for free movement? Free movement. Totally what is the volume not available for free movement? What shall we say? One student says 1 by 2 V. 1 by 2 V. One student says 1 by 12 V you are saying. 12 V in the sense for 3 molecules you considered. 3 molecules you considered. You take considered 1 mole of gas. So due to 1 mole of, you have taken 1 mole of gas. Every molecule is providing 4V volume not available for each molecule, each other molecule. So what is the total volume not available for free movement? What is the total volume not available for free movement? What is the value we will say? You are saying that 3 into 4 into volume of a molecule you are saying. 3 means you don't consider only 3 molecules. Fourth molecule is there, fifth molecule is there, sixth molecule is there, seventh molecule is there. Like this, how much number you have to go? Avogadro number you have to go. Avogadro number means 6.023 into 10 to the power of 23. This many molecules you have to consider. Now one student says 4 into volume of a molecule into 1 mole of molecules. 1 mole of molecules means Avogadro number of molecules. So we can say for this volume, now we will say that volume not available, volume not available for free movement, for free movement, due to 1 mole of gas, due to 1 mole of gas is equal to how much do you say? So you are saying that 4 into volume of a molecule into 10 power the volume of a molecule into Avogadro number you are saying. So 4 into volume of molecule into Avogadro number you are saying. Volume not available for free movement due to 1 mole of gas is equal to 4 into volume of molecule into Avogadro number. Shall we say this is called excluded volume? Shall we say excluded volume? Excluded volume means unavailable for free movement. Excluded volume, shall we say this is called 4 into volume of a molecule into Avogadro number is called excluded volume. Excluded volume means not available for free movement. Excluded volume means not available for free movement. This is a excluded volume due to 1 mole of gas, due to 1 mole of gas. Okay, this is excluded volume due to 1 mole of gas. Okay, this excluded volume is called B. This B is called a van der Waals constant. This B is called a van der Waals constant. This B is called van der Waals constant. So what is B? What is the definition of B? B is called excluded volume due to 1 mole of gas, which is equal to 4 into volume of a molecule into Avogadro number. Okay, here van der Waals constant is B. van der Waals constant B is called what? Excluded volume due to 1 mole of gas. Van der Waals constant B is called what? Excluded volume due to 1 mole of gas. Excluded volume is how much? 4 into volume of a molecule into Avogadro number. 4 into volume of a molecule into Avogadro number. Remember that B is called van der Waals constant. B is called van der Waals constant. B is called excluded volume. Excluded volume means not available for free movement. Excluded volume due to how much gas? 1 mole of gas. Due to 1 mole of gas. It is equal to how much value? 4 into volume of a molecule into Avogadro number. So remember, B is called van der Waals constant. B is nothing but excluded volume. B is nothing but unavailable volume due to how much gas? 1 mole of gas. That value is equal to how much? 4 into volume of a molecule into Avogadro number. Now, excluded volume. Now we will take this point. Excluded volume due to n moles of gas. N moles of gas is how much in terms of B? In terms of B, you say B is called what? Excluded volume due to 1 mole of gas. It is the definition of B. B means excluded volume due to 1 mole of gas. That is equal to 4 into volume of a molecule into Avogadro number. Now the question is excluded volume due to n moles of gas. You are saying that NB. You are multiplying this B, van der Waals constant B, with n. This is called a excluded volume. This is called excluded volume. Now we will take ideal gas equation. In the ideal gas equation, PV is equal to nRT. We can say this V is called a ideal volume. This V is called a ideal volume or a free volume. V is called ideal volume or free volume. Now we will consider volume of a gas. Volume of a gas. Volume of a gas is nothing but volume of a vessel. Volume of a gas meaning is volume of a vessel. And free volume. And free volume. Free volume means ideal volume. What is the relation, do you say? Now, volume of a gas, that meaning is volume of a vessel, and free volume. What is the relation between volume of gas and free volume? Will it be equal always, or will it be not equal? What do you say? Will it be equal or not equal? You are saying that you are coming for the conclusion that volume of a gas is not equal to free volume. Volume of a gas is not equal to free volume. Volume of a gas not equal in the sense volume of a gas greater than free volume. Volume of a gas greater than free volume. Okay, volume of a gas is greater than free volume. Okay, free volume is less. Free volume is less. Free volume is less. Therefore, volume of a gas is not equal to free volume. So, volume of a gas is greater than free volume. So, we can say that we can say volume of a gas is equal to free volume minus unavailable volume minus unavailable volume like this we can say volume of a gas or volume of a vessel is equal to free volume minus unavailable volume. How much volume is not available for free movement, that is. So volume of a gas is equal to free volume minus unavailable volume, like this we can take. Now so volume of a gas, is equal to free volume minus unavailable volume. Is it correct? Can we take like this? Can we say like this? Volume of a gas is equal to is not equal to free volume. Okay. So volume of a gas is greater than free volume. Volume of a gas is greater than free volume. Like this, shall we take? Volume of a gas and free volume. Like we are comparing these two. Now we said one point. We said volume of gas is not equal to free volume. Correct. Now volume of a gas and free volume greater we have written, as per that we have written like this. Sorry, we will check this point is correct or wrong. Another possibility will take free volume is greater than volume of a gas. This point will take. If we take like this, then we can say free volume is equal to volume of a gas minus unavailable volume. Unavailable volume, like this 2 points will take. Now free volume is equal to volume of a gas minus unavailable volume. This point we have taken. Now whether shall we consider so and so point shall we consider, or so and so point shall we consider? Which shall we consider? This V is called what? Ideal volume or free volume? We want free volume in terms of volume of gas. That means volume of vessel. Now, shall we consider a free volume is greater than volume of gas? Shall we consider, or free volume is less than volume of gas? Shall we consider? Which shall we consider out of these 2 points? Shall we consider so and so? Otherwise, shall we consider this one? Which we will consider? So now you see that PV is equal to nRT. PV is equal to nRT formula. In this, V is called ideal volume or free volume. This V is called ideal volume or free volume. Now free volume is not equal to volume of gas. This is a conclusion. Why not equal? As per Van der Waals statement, each gaseous molecule is giving 4V volume unavailable for free movement. Each gaseous molecule is giving 4V volume unavailable for free movement. So free volume is not equal to volume of a gas. Now shall we say free volume is less than volume of gas, shall we say, or free volume is greater than volume of a gas, shall we say, or what shall we say? Which point shall we take? If we take free volume is greater than volume of a gas, this point is not possible. Free volume is greater than volume of a gas. This point, is it possible? Free volume greater than volume of a gas. How it is possible? Suppose volume of a gas or volume of vessel means we will take this is a vessel. This is V is equal to volume of vessel. We will say V is equal to volume of vessel. It is nothing but volume of a gas. Now free volume. Now we are talking about free volume. Now this free volume and volume of gas, one possibility equal. Otherwise, this should be less than this. How can it be greater than this, sir? So free volume greater than volume of gas, not possible. Okay. So you are saying that volume of gas greater than free volume. Sorry, okay. So the free volume less than volume of gas, it is possible. Sorry. So free volume is less than volume of a gas, it is possible. Now shall we take this point, shall we take, or this point shall we take? Now free volume is equal to volume of gas minus unavailable volume. You are saying free volume is less than volume of a gas. That means this is not possible. So we can say free volume is equal to volume of gas minus unavailable volume. This is called free volume. Okay. So here you see that V is called a volume of vessel. Volume of vessel is nothing but volume of gas. Now free volume we are talking. Free volume can be equal to volume of gas. It is one possibility. Otherwise, free volume is less than volume of gas. It is another possibility. Free volume greater than volume of gas, not at all possible. Okay. Free volume greater than volume of gas, not at all possible. So we will leave this point. Free volume always less than volume of gas. This is only possible. Free volume is less than volume of gas. This is only possible. So we can consider free volume is equal to volume of gas minus unavailable volume. We can consider. Shall we consider this one? Shall we consider this one or not? Now we said free volume is less than volume of gas. Okay. So free volume is less than volume of gas means we can say free volume is equal to volume of gas minus unavailable volume. Okay. We came to this conclusion. So we came to what conclusion? In the sense free volume, we came to a conclusion free volume is equal to volume of a gas, volume of a vessel minus unavailable volume. Unavailable volume is excluded volume. Excluded volume is NB. Excluded volume is NB. Therefore, free volume is equal to V minus NB. This V is called a volume of a gas or volume of a vessel. This NB is called a unavailable volume, excluded volume due to n moles of gas. NB is called the excluded volume due to n moles of gas. Now we will take ideal gas equation, that is PV is equal to nRT. Now this P is called a ideal pressure. This P is called ideal pressure. Ideal pressure is equal to pressure of real gas plus pressure correction pressure correction. The pressure correction is how much we will see. Pressure of real gas plus pressure correction is AN square by V square. Okay. Next, next we will think this V. This V is called ideal volume. This V is called ideal volume. This ideal volume is also called what means free volume. This free volume is equal to volume of gas or volume of vessel minus unavailable volume, that is excluded volume. Excluded volume due to 1 moles of gas, due to n moles of gas, because we do not know how many moles, due to, so that we will take n moles of gas. Excluded volume due to n moles of gas. So this free volume is equal to volume of gas minus this volume correction. Volume correction means this excluded volume. So it is equal to volume of gas or volume of vessel minus this volume correction is called a excluded volume. This excluded volume is equal to NB. So from this we can say this volume correction is equal to how much means this volume correction is equal to NB. This pressure correction is equal to what? AN square by V square. So we got an idea here. We got what idea? This pressure correction is equal to AN square by V square. Pressure correction is equal to AN square by V square. Volume correction is equal to NB. Volume correction is equal to NB. Okay. So this free volume is equal to volume of gas or volume of vessel minus volume correction. Volume correction is called NB. Now this volume correction, this pressure correction, we are introducing in a ideal gas equation in order to get van der Waals equation. So in the ideal gas equation, in the place of ideal pressure, in the ideal gas equation, in the place of ideal pressure, it is ideal pressure. We are doing correction. What is that means? Pressure of real gas plus pressure correction. Pressure correction is AN square by V square. Then this is ideal volume. Ideal volume is also called free volume. Free volume is equal to volume of gas or volume of vessel minus volume correction. Volume correction is NB is equal to nRT. This is called a van der Waals equation. This is called van der Waals equation. So van der Waals equation is so and so. Okay. Now we will see in the van der Waals equation, pressure correction term is there. Pressure correction term is there. This pressure correction is one of the pressure term. It is equal to AN square by V square. Now A is called van der Waals constant. This van der Waals constant A, this van der Waals constant A is equal to P into V square by N square. Now unit of A we will see, unit of A. Now we will take pressure unit, for example atmosphere. Unit of pressure can be anything. One possibility is atmosphere, other possibilities are many are there in the sense centimeter of mercury, millimeter of mercury, Pascal, Newton per meter square, Dine per centimeter square, bars. Like this, many units are there for pressure. Among them, we have considered one, that is atmosphere. Then we will substitute volume unit. Volume unit is liter, we have substituted. For volume also many units are there. Liter is present. Liter we can consider, decimeter cube we can consider, centimeter cube, meter cube. Like this,